After 2 days of losses, virtual digital assets or the VDA markets are quoting higher due to renowned buying interest in the popular digital assets such as Bitcoin at the key support levels. Ethereum too followed its suit. That's what the entire market, broader market is behaving. IC15 index of cryptocurrency was trading higher by 0.3% at 40,140 points. Meanwhile, if we are talking about exchanges, in the overall crypto sector, Bittrex has been fined by the US SEC charges for operating as an unregistered national security exchange, broker, and clearing agency. In a statement, the SEC alleged that the Bittrex and its former CEO William and has actually informed issuers to remove the problematic statements before putting crypto assets on their platform. The statement consisted of price predictions, anticipations of profits, and any other investment-related terms. And if you're talking about MicroStrategy's Michael Saylor has integrated Bitcoin's Lightning Network into its corporate email address. Interesting. So this network allows anyone to send Bitcoin to him using an unconventional email address. The Lightning Network Bitcoin's Layer 2 scaling solution is expected to make Bitcoin payment cheaper and faster. If we talk about the overall global cryptocurrency market cap was at $1.27 trillion, which is actually 0.4% higher in the last 24 hours. However, the total crypto market volume has seen a surge of mere 3% at $45 billion. Layer 1 is gaining traction, and so are Layer 2s. If you're talking about Layer 2s, and another Layer 2 solution giant on Ethereum protocol, Arbitrum, has surged 50% in the past 5 days. So why it has gained? It was observed that the Bitcoin's dominance which has actually decreased in the past few days, which has indicated a shift in the capital from the Bitcoin to the altcoins. That's what the analysts believe. This move is likely to trigger a massive rally in the next hype Layer 2 tokens and Arbitrum's competitors' optimism as well, as analysts have believed. Stock futures, US stock futures rose, which was boosted by the crucial results for the first quarter earnings, which topped Wall Street expectations and suggested companies are faring better than concern is in this tough economic environment. That's what which is actually driving the prices higher. Dow Jones Industrial Average futures gained 143 points or 0.4%. S&P 500 futures were 0.4% higher. Nasdaq 100 futures rose by 0.6%. The move came after the major averages gain to kick off a stacked week of corporate earnings. If we talk about the largest cryptocurrency on the planet, Bitcoin was trading at $30,250, comfortably above the $30,000 mark, up 2.7%. Ethereum, the second largest crypto, was up by 0.1% at $2,120. The Shapela upgrade triggered a surge in the capital flows from the centralized exchanges to the DeFi platforms as investors seek to capitalize on the new opportunities and the possibilities enabled by the upgrade. Ethereum rallied over 10%, moving past the $2,100 level. Ever since the launch of Shapela, more than 1 million Ethereum worth $2.1 billion have been withdrawn from the Beacon chain so far. And if you talk about the other altcoins, on my left was Binance BNB trading higher by 2% at $345. So keep an eye on this news with the much anticipated BNB Beacon chain hard fork upgrade just around the corner. The Binance coin token is actually roaring as it gains tremendously, and it has actually gained the traction following a quarterly burn price. The BNB chain is set to undergo the barrel upgrade through a hard fork on April 21st. So as a result, BNB coin has gained around 5% ahead of the upgrade. And as we have seen, the scenario which is actually there in all the altcoins before the Shapela upgrade, Ethereum was higher. Before any airdrop, the token is higher, and BNB is gaining traction as well. So the other altcoin we're talking about is Solana Sol, was up by 2.4%, trading at $25.5. Next on the list was Cardano's ADA token, up by 1% to trade at 0.44 cents. Avalanche FX was trading at $21.5, higher by 6%. Polygon Matic was up by 2%, was trading at $1.2. Polygon Labs, one of the largest Web3 ecosystem, keep an eye on this news, has published an open letter to the representatives of the European Parliament, the Council of European Union, and the European Commission, urging EU authorities to create a regulatory framework for the cryptocurrencies protocol, blockchain, digital assets, and the general decentralized scenario. And if we talk about the other altcoins, is Shiba Inu was trading up by 1.6%. Next on the list was Ripple's XRP token was at 0.51 cents, up by 1.3%. Polkadot was up by 4% to trade at $6.9. However, the Doge, the popular meme coin, was trading down by 0.5% at 0.093 cents. So that's all there is in this coin monitor. So Manoj Dara signing off. But keep watching 3.0 TV for more such interesting updates and analysis from the crypto universe. Thank you.
More, the Blockchain Association, a group that supports cryptocurrencies, has sent two regulators Freedom of Information Act requests for details on recently shut down crypto-friendly institutions. A little over a month after initially requesting more information from the Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation, the Board of Governors of the Federal Reserve System, and the Office of the Comptroller of the Currency, the association announced on April 14 that it had submitted Freedom of Information law requests to the Federal Housing Finance Agency and the New York Department of Financial Services. Following the seizure of Signature Bank and bankruptcy of Silvergate Bank, the group is looking for more information regarding the debanking of cryptocurrency enterprises. The association also reported that it was investigating whether the failure of Silvergate was the result of a politically motivated decision by the Federal Home Loan Bank of San Francisco, which is overseen by the FHFA, to take the extraordinary and unusual action of pulling a loan made to Silvergate only months earlier. The publishing of the protocol's new white paper is one of several significant developments that have just recently been made in the VeChain ecosystem. The latest VeChain white paper, which focuses on the protocol's work on sustainable development, was unveiled alongside Boston Consulting Group as previously stated. Some of these new activities involve developing and releasing KEP applications which promote efficiency across several industries. Supply chain, logistics, food, and climate change are some of these sectors. VeChain's presence in these sectors speaks to its commitment to sustainable business practices, which it continues to emphasize in the latest white paper. The VeChain protocol also announced its latest product dubbed VORJ. VORJ is designed as a platform to offer code development in a sustainable way. The VORJ protocol is branded to offer sustainability as a service not just Web 3.0 platforms but also to the broader technology ecosystem. Blackstar Enterprise Group has been working on the platform since 2018 and has spoken with the regulator for almost 2 years, responding to their numerous inquiries and concerns. The corporation recently took the next step by giving the SEC Trading and Market Division a comprehensive strategy outlining how its platforms will run. According to the company's papers, the platform will permit trading OTC securities within the current ecosystem of authorized brokerage firms overseen by the Financial Industry Regulatory Authority and SEC. According to Investopedia, OTC refers to the practice of trading securities through a broker-deal network rather than a centralized exchange like the New York Stock Exchange, as stated in the document. We will keep you connected to the evolving world of NFTs.
For accurate and latest updates of cryptocurrency markets and global regulations,
Metaverse and Web3.
3.0 TV covers the latest crypto crimes.
Keeps you updated about the global crypto events and exhibitions.